Hey y'all, so today I'm doing another tour, but this time I'll be doing a tour of a house. So this is the front door. Right here is the gengan, very huge. And once you step in, the first thing that you see is the staircase and four doors. So we're gonna start with downstairs first because this is a two-story house. Let's open the first door. So here is the living area. Okay, so it has a nice space and has a TV, pretty spacious living area. There is a closet right there. I'm not going to open it. Let me show you guys outside. So if you guys look closely, you can see that there is a road. Let me open the window. All right guys, so there is a road right there, and over there is the sea. Yes, you're looking at the sea. So this area is located right beside the sea. Pretty risky, pretty dangerous. But anyway, so this is the living area. Let me give you guys a better view again. So okay, perfect. Ooh, I'm gonna record like this. I just adjusted my settings and this is way better. You guys can see the room much better, but everything looks a little smaller. But yeah, so this is the living room. So the very first door that you open after entering is the living room. Next, oh, right here is like a little storage area, so I'm not gonna open it. And on this side, this is a toilet room. Let me turn on the light. And it's one of those toilets where it's heated, and I think you have the bidet. Yeah, the bidet is there. This is actually the toilet that you can wash your hand after you flush it. So if I flush the toilet here, I can wash my hands here. So it saves on water. Alright, so it's one toilet room so far. There are two toilet rooms. So after the toilet room, there is the washroom. So this is the washroom, and there's also a glass here. And after the washroom, you have the bathroom. So the bathroom is a little wet. I'm not gonna really show it that much, but pretty much there's a tub and then you shower outside of the tub area. Okay. So next, we're going to go to the dining area. So again, the living room was right there. Storage room here, toilet room, washroom and bathroom. And right here is the dining room. Yeah, so the dining room is pretty huge for Japan standards, that is. And there is, let me close it back. So there is a little slide door going on right here. Slide it open and bam, you can look into the living room. Okay, so after the living room, well, here is the dining room. So you have the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. So here is another huge ass space. So there are cupboards at the top, and at the bottom there is a huge sink and stove. Okay, so this is gas stove. All right, so another huge area. This is the outside. Let me see what's outside. I don't know, can I go outside? Oh wow. Oh, so there's a little backyard here. This is pretty cool. Let me see. Oh, nice. So there's actually a back area, so I guess if you have like shoes to brush, then you can come here. Or if you want to have a little garden, this is pretty nice actually. Oh, let's close this. Okay, so we're finished with downstairs. All right, so time to go upstairs. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that you see when you go upstairs is this door, and this is actually another toilet room. Just a very simple room. And so after the toilet room, there are 3 rooms. So this is actually a 3-bedroom house, and I'm gonna go into the first room. So this room, it has a nice space, and it also has a closet. I'm not gonna, or should I? All right guys, so please don't judge, but this is the closet area. So very huge space here, and I don't think anyone sleeps in this room. So this room is very basic. There is actually a very nice view, as you can see over there. Well, it's not that clear, but the sea is right there, so you can actually see the rocks over there. I don't know if you can see it, like right there, rocks. Yeah. Okay, so this is room number 1, and in this room there is actually an attic. I'm not gonna go up there because I'm not sure how sturdy this thing is. And let me see if my tripod can go any further. Okay guys, so this is as far as I can go. I hope you guys can see up there. Can you see? Is it dark? I don't know. But anyways, I am not going up there. So this is room number 1. So next we're gonna go into room number 2. Room number 2 is a tatami room, which is one of those rooms that has the, yeah, this type of material. This is actually like a storage room. No one is staying in this room, so it's like a storage room, because yeah, if you live in Japan, you know how it is as relates to boxes and all of that. But this is a tatami room, and it has a nice little space, so you can store your stuff up there. And it also has closet area, again, a whole lot of space to store your stuff. And there's also another closet area here. Yeah, so pretty good. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2, and it has a very nice sliding window going on right there. All right, so now for bedroom number 3, which is right beside the bathroom. So bedroom number 3 is this room. Okay, so this is the main bedroom, and I'm not gonna open that closet, but yeah, this is how it looks. This is the biggest room, I think this is bigger than the tatami room. But anyways guys, I think this is the end of the tour. There's nothing else here for me to show you guys. What do you guys think about this house? This is the first time I'm doing a house tour. This place is actually really spacious, and I like that this has a lot of storage area. Anyways guys, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.